Ajax Superior is a project-oriented product line. You'll offer better performance, cutting-edge hardware, improved certification compliance, and effortless installation. We believe it's an opportunity for you to differentiate your business from the competition. To assist in understanding the range better, we've created something called the Kit Finder on our website, and we worked hard with Ajax to make this the perfect experience. So you'll see behind me here that I've got the Kit Finder on screen, and I'm going to do a run through. For example, first question would be, do you need Wi-Fi? This will determine if you need a Hub 2 or a Hub 2 Plus for your kit. Okay, for example, do I need Wi-Fi? Let's say I do. So I'm going to choose yes. The next question, do you need Space Control or Keypad Plus? Depending on the project, that's up to you. Let's say I need a Keypad Plus. Do you need a street siren included in your kit? Most of the time it's probably a yes, so I'm going to choose a yes. Do you want the option of adding branding to your street siren? This will determine if it's a double deck essentially, so that you can do custom branding. Let's say I want to do that as well. It's going to say to you now, your recommended kit is kit 15, and it's going to give the option of viewing black or white kit. Let's say I want my kit in white. Immediately I'm going to load straight in, and I've got my white kit on screen, and I can see stock levels, price, and everything involved. If I need to change something after that, because I decide actually probably not perfect, and I instead want space controls, I can just use the on-screen drop-downs, change it to a space control. And again, I'm now using a kit 12. The way that we've designed this to ensure that you can get to the perfect project is as easy and as simple as simply flicking through the questionnaire. If you need further help with using the Kit Finder or anything else that you want to speak to us about regarding Ajax Superior, you can find our details on the website. You can also get in touch via our phones, emails, and do be on the lookout for our upcoming Ajax Superior campaign that we'll be holding that will give you much more information on the Superior range and everything that you can do with it. We hope that you enjoy installing Superior and it's perfect for your projects. Thank you.